Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.12.2 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Press enter. Type here in Google search bar. Download Python. Press enter. Click on first link, download Python. Python latest version is 3.12.2. Click download. Now the downloading is completed. It is 25.4 MB Python setup. Let's close web browser. Open this PC. Click downloads. Here it is our Python setup. Let's right click on it. Click open. Let's close downloads. Click check, add python.exe to path. Click install now. Now the installation in progress. Setup was successful. Click close. Type here to search, cmd. Click open. Type the following command, python space --, version. Press enter. As you can see, our installed Python version is 3.12.2. Let's minimize command prompt. Type here to search, Notepad. I have installed Notepad++. If you don't have Notepad++, you can use default Notepad. In my case I am using Windows default Notepad. Type the following command, print, bracket open, inverted comma, type content, like welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech, inverted comma, bracket close. Now I am going to save this file on desktop. Click desktop. I am given it name called rt.py. Click save. Let's close Notepad. Open command prompt again. Now I am going to run this rt.py command. Type, cd space desktop. Press enter. Type python space rt.py. Press enter. Now our file is compiled and run successfully. Type exit, press enter. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to download and install Python 3.12.2 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.